Hello friends, this is another day, and here comes my sleeping bed, and below is water. I forgot how many it is, but this is 6 times 5.5, so it should be 30, and then I think I got 60, and then I got this 6 liters here and 6 liters here, and the boat is kind of moving and rocking, and so I take one of these and I unscrew the lid and unscrew on this, and then I made a little special tool here, and I can make it goes down to here. Can screw it down. Screw it down. No, it sits really hard. And then I take water bottle here, and then I put it like this, and then I transfer it. And when it's done, I take it out. And it works very well. And this is, I used on the boat before, so it's a tested system. And these ones are polyethylene, and they are good for food. And these are very good, used to be epoxy. And this is for transporting dangerous goods in it. So it's very strong. It's made for epoxy and certified. Here is the UN sign. Kan du ta close to this? Kan man se det? Den rullar. So we don't have to worry about nothing. And what is my little thing? And this one. And also when I fill the bottles up, here, when I fill the bottle up in line before leaving, I close it with this one. Like this. And now it's so strong I can't even get it up with my hands. And this is just a little about my water system. And then also I can put them that. It will be a bit easy to grab them with the finger, but it's easy enough to do it like this, you know. And then if they go out, there still be some water in them. So thank you for looking at this.